Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off camera mirror effect on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so to begin you will need to go to the camera app, and now you can see that on my front lens it says it may need cleaning, and yeah, that's true. I'll quickly do it.
One face cropped. Move your phone left and down.
Okay, so now if I take a picture with my hand right here, then you can see it is in the same spot. No, it's not. You can see it is mirrored here, and on the other one it's not. It's probably because I have a raw photo enabled. I'll disable it so it's in normal mode. Let's try that again. And now you'll see it only takes it like that, so only the photo is it was like it was previewed, but you can see when I zoom in, for example, on the camera, it says Sony, but you can see it says it backwards. So if you want, you can actually disable this effect. Yeah, hold on a second, I'm out of focus here. Yeah, you can see right here the Sony, it is backwards. Now if I go to the camera app again, now I can go to the settings right here. Actually here, no, something was changed here. Yeah, okay, I get it. So go to the settings in the top left corner, then in the bottom left corner, sorry, then three dots in top right corner, and find the option that is gonna be in hold on a second, I don't really see it for some reason, even though it should be there. Yeah, okay, it says keep selfies as seen, this option, so it's in composition section. Keep selfies as seen, and now if I disable it and if I take a photo, you'll see my hand goes to the left side now, and now Sony here is correctly right. So that's gonna be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.